How to use KFC coupon code. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can go ahead and do this quickly and easily. Now basically, we are inside the official article on how you can go ahead and redeem rewards. This includes coupon code for KFC. Now redeeming rewards, you can scan your app at front of the counter, kiosk, or drive-thru. This basically includes the coupon code once more, and you can tell the restaurant team that you want to redeem the rewards, or you can just add the reward to basket directly if you are ordering online within the application for the KFC delivery. By the way, you can only redeem one reward or one coupon code at a time. There is no minimum spend for redemption at front counter or drive-thru. You can also go ahead and check your reward balance and expiration dates on the KFC app or the online store. And so guys, that's all you have to do to basically go ahead and use the KFC coupon code. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.